basement. You could probably tell that. Let me make sure I'm stepping on steps here. Okay. Here's a wall. And a box of finished. And here's more finished. Still loving that one. And then we come over to these two, which have been sold, I do believe. And now we're going to go over to the bench, the painting bench. Yeah. This is my surroundings. I don't feel really spooked down here because, well, nothing can really come at me. So, alrighty. Let's see, what should I show you first? That chair is just so wonderful. Okay. Here is a little poop-de-doo I did earlier. It's a 6x6. I had some paint on the Lazy Susan and thought, why waste it? So we just kind of sopped up in there, see what we could do, and did some balloon things on it, balloon kisses. And then I tried to create, yet again, another sunflower. And one more time it didn't come out. It did not. So, I came down here and looked at the other one. I'm sorry you keep on getting the beeps. And, so I came down here and thought, well, my cousin asked, do you do anything larger? I told her 12 by 12, and so I thought, well, let's try and do 12 by 12 tonight. And I'm really happy that I mixed some paints up. I mixed the crimson and violet and got that gorgeous color. Ooh, yes. So let's take you over this one. In the bottom right corner, there we have it. Did I mention this is a 12 by 12? Okay, then we head on up yonder. And there's some orange and blues. This has a lot of gold in it. And about, well, I'd have to think about what colors I put in there. And there's the left. And coming on down again. Yada yada you. Then let's go up to the center, see how that looks. Okay, I did a ring pour and a wreck. So, this is what it turned out to be. And, like I told my cousin, my space isn't that big to do much bigger than this. I'm going to need a heck of a bigger table. Or bring down the plywood from upstairs and see if that's even, hopefully it's not too warped. It's been standing upright for about 4 years now. So yeah, there you have it. It's my little place down here where I just sit and do my paintings and do thinking, and one time talk to a pervert, but yeah, we're just gonna let that one slide. I did find some nice possible skins that were on the table over there before I did this pour, and sometimes you turn them over and they're even awesomer on the back. Awesomer, that's a word. Okay, this one right here. This blue is like, wow. Let me show you the other side. Because you wouldn't even realize. Look what that is on the front. You turn it over. And you bring another piece with you. And you got the wow. Those would be nice. I have a lot of other skins. Do you want to see those? We'll do those in the next video. Okay, bye-bye for now.